Hi everyone and welcome back to the Luxy YouTube channel. My name is Holly and you can find my channel at Holly Hoban, and today I'm going to be showing you two different hairstyles that you can use on third day hair. These looks are perfect if you haven't had time to wash, dry and style your hair but you still want to achieve a super cute look. So if you want to see what hairstyles I would do on third day hair, then just keep on watching. So we all know the struggle when we haven't had time to wash our hair. It's looking a little flat or lifeless, and where we could add in some dry hair shampoo to revitalise it, I also like to use accessories, and this Baker Boy hat is my go-to at the moment. It's really on trend and it's super stylish. So I'm just starting off by twisting my hair into a loose, messy bun. I'm leaving my hair in the middle part, but you won't see it anyway, so just wear however is comfortable for you. The reason we want to wear it loose is so that we can pull down some strands after we've tied it up, just to give it an effortless undone finish. I'm using a stretchy hairband to secure my hair into place, and you can also use some bobby pins if you need to secure any loose strands. And then I'm just pulling out the hair just to make the bun even messier. And now I'm taking some strands of hair that frame my face. This is great for those of you with layers, as you'll have some lovely shorter pieces. Then finally I'm adding my hat, and that is it for the first look. It is so chic. For the second look, I'm brushing all my hair back, and as you'll see my roots this time, I'm going to add in some dry hair shampoo, and this is just going to help to add some volume into our hair, and it's also going to absorb any oil, which is going to help make it look a lot cleaner. And then I'm just going to massage this into my roots using my hands. Then just using my hands, I'm going to just tie my hair up in a high ponytail, and then I'm just securing this with an elastic. And then I'm pulling out some strands just for a more undone, messy look. Now you can add in some Luxy Hair extensions around your ponytail for some extra thickness or length. I like to give mine a brush through first so that they're nice and smooth, and you can either add them in your hair before tying your hair up, or what I sometimes like to do is just wrap it around my ponytail, and this is going to help cover up your hairband. I'm leaving them out for this look, and I'm going to do a simple fishtail braid by separating the hair into two sections. Then I'm taking a small piece of hair from section 1, I'm going to cross it over and add it to the other section. Then I'm taking a small piece of hair from the other section, crossing this over and adding it to the other section. And I'm just going to continue this until I reach the end. Don't worry about it being too neat, I love a messy fishtail braid. Once you reach the end, just secure it with a hair tie, and then I like to pull at the strands to create a bit more volume into my braid. And that is my second hairstyle for third day hair. It is so quick, but I guarantee everyone will comment on how lovely it looks. this video. I really hope that you loved the 2 hairstyles that I showed you. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the description box below and let me know which one was your favourite. And if you do recreate any of the hairstyles, don't forget to tag at Luxy Hair or hashtag Luxy Hair. I'll also leave a link in the description box below to my YouTube channel so you can check that out if you want. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye!